Nadine here, and today, guess what we're looking at? We're looking at a humidifier. It's that time of the year. We're gonna start closing up soon. Summer is winding down, and frankly, the heat is coming on soon. Ugh. So this is a humidifier to make sure you are more comfortable in your home and frankly, when breathing. So let's open it up and take a look at it. This is from Everlasting Comfort. You can actually put essential oils in there. Auto shut off, water tank capacity is 6 liters over here. I can't wait to try it this year. It doesn't need a filter, and it does have a 2-year warranty. It is whisper quiet, cool mist, dry skin, and has an essential oil tray. Let's open it and take a look at it. So this is the humidifier right here, and this is the water where the water comes out from, right over here. It's gonna be right in here. So you can see the little spout will come right out of here, the cool mist. And you can actually put the water right in here. So see this little tab over here? You're gonna open it up. Once you open it up, you're gonna see that this is where you put the essential oils right here to give you that great aroma. Then you can put it right in there. Everlasting Comfort also has some great essential oils that you guys should check out over here. And on the manual, it gives you where everything is right here, so you can go through it and know what you need to do with everything, how to use it and everything like that. And like I said, the bottom is the air filter, and then you turn it on as high or as low as you want it right over here. It does have an LED light. Let's plug it in. Let's plug it in. Once you plug it in, you'll see that you have your LED light right over here. So once you close it, you're going to have your light coming right through there. It's not so bothersome that it's gonna bother you at night. If you want to, you can put something on it to cover it up. So through here also, you're gonna see where the water tank, where the water level is. So it's gonna help you out in there. And then you turn it on. I don't have any water in there right now for it to see it's working, but you just put it in. You're going to put your essential oils or just water, whatever you need. And it's going to give you cool mist waters right out of there, and it's going to work great. And with a 2-year warranty, you don't have to worry about it breaking down. And what are you going to do then? They're going to take care of things. Everlasting Comfort is great with that stuff.